In this lesson, we'll learn what a style effect is, how to load a style, and where to find styles in Photoshop Elements. A layer style is a way to add effects to a layer in Photoshop Elements. The styles effect will continually update itself as a layer is edited or moved. Styles can be adjusted after they're applied to a layer and are non-destructive in nature. They allow you to add glow, drop shadows, textures, bevels, and more. They are used to add depth and change the appearance of the element they're applied to. They're eye candy. Loading a style effects in Photoshop Elements is amazingly simple. After you've downloaded a new style, you go to your Downloads folder and find the style you just downloaded. Extract it to your Actions and Styles folder, then open Photoshop Elements to load the style. Go to Effects, Styles, go to the drop-down menu in the right corner, and choose Load Styles. Locate the style that you're looking for on your computer. Notice the style ends with .asl. Click that and click Load. Once the style has been loaded, you'll see that it's located now in the Styles panel, along with the other styles that come preloaded in Photoshop Elements. If you want to show the names of the styles, go to the drop-down menu, click Show Names. If you do not want the names to show, go to the drop-down menu, choose Hide Names. When you hover over one of the styles, it will show you what the style is.